Alright, check it out. The brand new 3 Series by BMW. Let's remove the badges. We go from this to that. I recently went from an older M5 to this new 3 Series. Alright, let's begin. All we need is some basic ass floss. Yep, $1 floss. All you do is get the floss right behind the badges and kind of seesaw it back and forth. Once the emblems fall off, you're left with this gray, boogery residue. The newer the car, the easier this stuff is to remove. All you have to do is kind of just roll it back and forth and pry it off. You might have to use your fingernail every so often. Once the boogers are removed, you're left with this hardened glue residue, which is actually the hardest stuff to remove. I got some assistance from a citrus-based car detailer. It takes a few minutes, but it's a whole lot easier if you probably use a harder towel. Unlike what I used was a microfiber detailing towel, which is probably not ideal. Probably want to use a towel with a little bit more grit and more bite to it. Make sure to go back and forth across multiple directions. There you go. Once it's all done, go over it with your favorite detailer to make sure it is nice and shiny, all the fingerprints are off. And there you have it, the final product. Real quick, I also installed the black BMW badges since I was there. And there you have it. Thank you to all the BMW and car fans for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Talk to you soon.